Good day everyone, good day sir. My name is Rosel Vismanos, BSM 1 Section 5, and today I'll be demonstrating my fitness warm-up routine. My fitness goals for today are to improve my cardiovascular endurance and increase flexibility and prepare my body for physical activities safely and effectively. Before starting any exercise, I need to check my resting heart rate by putting my two fingers in my carotid pulse. It's 70 beats per minute. Now, I will begin my dynamic stretching exercises. Dynamic stretches help loosen the muscles and improve blood circulation. Kindly watch the video that I did for myself. Warming up is very important before exercising because it prepares the body for movement and helps prevent injuries. It gradually increases heart rate, improves flexibility, and allows the muscles and joints to move more efficiently. Warming up also improves performance because the body becomes more ready for physical activity. That concludes my warm-up routine. Thank you for watching.